everybody, welcome to DuoDuoChinese. I'm Luna. Today we will continue to learn Pinyin lesson. In the last video, we already learned 4 initials and 4 finals. Let's do a very quick review, okay? Repeat after me, please, each one twice. The first one, 波 波 坡 坡 摸 摸 佛 佛 啊 啊 喔 喔 Okay? If you are a beginner of Chinese, I strongly suggest go back to watch our Pinyin Lesson 1 and Lesson 2 videos. Because in these videos, there are a lot of basic knowledges about Pinyin. If you have already watched them, let's continue. Look at here. Today we will learn the 2 special initials and 4 finals. Before we already knew that in Pinyin there are 2 special initials, right? These 2 special initials are not the real initials. They just the letter that separate individual syllables. We call them 隔音字母. 隔音字母. 隔 means separate, separate. 音 means syllable. This is a syllable. This is also a syllable. 音 syllable. 字母 it means letter. Letter. So, 隔音字母 just the letters that separate individual syllables. And these 2 letters are just symbols. No sound. No sound. But for teaching purpose, and we can call them yi and u. The sounds are same like these 2 finals. Later, we will learn how to pronounce and how to use these 2 letters. Now, we learn the finals first. The first one, E. E. The sound is very similar to double E in English word say. But your tongue is raised higher than if you pronounce double E in say. Please repeat after me. E. E. The second one, U. U. The sound is very similar to double O in English word mood. Please repeat after me. U. U. The third one, Yu. Yu. The sound cannot found in English. But when you try to pronounce Yu, you can first pronounce E, then just round your lips. Look at me. And without moving your tongue, okay? E. E. Okay? Repeat after me. E. The first one, R. R. The sound is very similar to ER, the English word letter. R. When you try to pronounce R, you can first pronounce then just curl the tip of your tongue, like again. Okay? Repeat after me. R. R. These are the 4 finals we learned today. Let's do a very quick review, okay? Repeat after me. Each one twice. E. E. U. U. R. Very good. Before, we already learned 4 finals and a rule that a symbol can stand without an initial, right? So let's do a review. The final with a tongue or without the tongue. The first tongue, second tongue, third tongue, fourth tongue, and also there is a symbol that is pronounced in a weak tongue. No tongue mark on it. We call it neutral tongue. Again. The second one, the same. The third one, The fourth one, And also, please remember, different tongue, different characters, and different meanings. It means it means goose. When I change the second tongue to the fourth tongue, and the meanings are changed. Like is goose, is hungry. Okay? Then is same like this for finals. Again. And the tongue mark is above Also, is ears, and is two, Before we practice there is something I need to explain. Before we use that, a symbol can stand without an initial, which means the final can be symbols by themselves, right? When these 5 finals form syllables by themselves, they are written without any change. Just the final with the tongue or without the tongue, with the tongue or without the tongue. But are written like this. The sounds, no change, don't change. Now, let me show you how to exactly write and pronounce these 3 finals, and with the tongues or without the tongues. The first one, when forms a syllable by itself, we just plus before and remove the dot over but neutral tongue, no including the neutral tongue. And put the tongue mark on Please repeat after me. one. Okay, the second one, wu. When wu forms a syllable by itself, we need to place wu before wu. Okay? And put the tongue mark above wu. Remember, no tongue mark on the neutral tongue. Okay, repeat after me. Wu, 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 wu. Very good. Wu, it means 5. 5. The third one, yu, yu. When yu forms a syllable by itself, we need to place yi before yu, and also remove the 2 dots on yu, including the neutral tongue, and put the tongue mark above yu, because yi cannot combine with wu. Yi never combined with wu. So, when yi is added before yu, we can remove the 2 dots over yu. Okay? Repeat after me. Yu, 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 yu. Very good. Yu, it means fish. Yu, fish. Yu, the rain. Yu, the jade. Okay, everybody, this is this lesson. Let's do a quick review of all of it. Okay? I, u, i, u, yu, r, Okay, everybody, thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave your comments. Thank you, 谢谢，再见，再见。